We should be rolling. I gotta get this thing mounted on the helmet. Up here in Sedona. Beautiful out here. Yeah, I put it on super wide and the field of frame is like huge. Is it a little weird getting used to that bike?
Yeah, there's some things that just aren't fit for me. Also, the right brake is a little bit weak.
That's the rear brake?
The what?
Your rear?
Yeah. I mean, it's powerful enough, it's fine.
Yeah, the front's more important anyway.
Yeah.
You do more of your braking with the front brake, right?
Yeah, but it's easier to use your rear brake to modulate speed more on the trail.
Yeah, because you don't,
depending.
you just slide instead of flipping. Yeah. I know for motorcycles, you only use about 30% of your rear, 70% front brake.
Yeah.
Because if you skid,
same for like road bikes as well,
and your wheels come out of alignment, and then you let go of the brakes, it can snap up and flip you. I guess on dirt bikes or mountain bikes, that would be different. Probably dirt bikes too, honestly.
Yeah, because you're on like an
you're on a dirt surface, you can skid without snapping upright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some sick berms in this trail as well. Going down it. I like it. Okay, so now we go up
Through
this way.
Soldiers Pass. And then take it right?
Yeah.
This way?
Up to the left of that sign.
Oh, shit, okay.
You can try to go that way. I won't be able to.
Me neither.
Yeah.
Pull some beer. It's like a fucking half pipe.
Yeah. One thing I love about Sedona is so many slabs, dude. Just wide open slabs like this.
That's pretty sick, honestly.
Yeah.
I'm gonna restart right here. Yeah, all right. Is your canyon climb better than that?
No, I think this climb's better.
Really?
Yeah, because it's more of it, because it's
right or left? You gotta look it up.
Left. Yeah, left, because we have to get over.
I was saying, you say that just because I was already headed left. Yep, left is good.
because this keeps going left.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, this is just more like the angles aren't as slack, and so it's lighter because there's not as much travel.
Dude, fucking cardio.
Yeah, we should have gone the other way. That's fine. We go back and the other way. Yeah, you're gonna need a ventilator after this.
This is why we won't need a ventilator from coronavirus, so. Damn, that's steep.
I think it was this way.
Yeah, I think you're right, bro.
Oh, I guess that meets up with that.
Still pretty steep.
Yeah. It's not as steep over there though.
Okay. Oh yeah, this isn't as bad. Yeah, because that was just plain bullshit right there. I'm good. Damn. I wonder how my computer is going to struggle through processing the 4K. It's only 30, so it shouldn't be too bad.
Whoa.
Damn! Dang,
Yeah.
that's pretty. Kind of want to stop and get a photo.
Or,
It's on my GoPro, we're good.
oh yeah. Can you pull stills out of it?
What?
Can you pull stills?
Probably with that software when I edit. I can't run the GoPro quick on my computer because my computer's Windows 7 and you need Windows 10. So, yeah. Not just Windows 10 either, Windows 10 64-bit.
Really?
Yeah. To process for their program or to run their software. That's okay because I have another program should be able to run it